this is one of the features that, I mean, this is Photoshop CC 2019, subscription and all that. You can see how this new feature works, and he selects an area around that boat, and let's just fast forward on that one, and it goes like that with a new content over fill, and it's gone, and it's looks like that. So you get this preview on the side, and that is that is 2019. And here I am, and let's just take this image. I just screen grabbed it. And this tool was introduced in 2005, 2004, so that's 15 years ago, the patch tool. And I'm not saying the patch tool is the same, but, you know, let's just hide that selection. But, I mean, so yeah, you just find your, what you think is best, and then Control H to hide that selection. I mean, you might even get a better result when using that tool. So yeah, I'm not really that big of a fan, really. Okay, that was way off. So that's the thing. I can get just as good of a result using a 2005 version of Photoshop. This is CS3, so that is 2007, I guess. But if you have a 2005 version of Photoshop, then you can get, you know, pretty much the same effect. And you know, this new content aware fill is not necessarily better than what I just did here in a 2005 feature. So I mean, it could be, you know, I'm not saying that that is a bad thing. I'm just saying that, you know, 15 years later on, I would expect more from Photoshop than this stuff. I mean, look at this. This is even now. This is not even inside Photoshop. This is it pops up a new window for you, which is idiotic. So I mean, 15 years later, that small progress. And subscription, and then you can cut out some stuff, and it's all nice, but it's not really. I mean, come on. Ah, the bridge. I hate the bridge. What? Oh, you can. Well, that's nice. They finally added that. I can do that in Photoline with just a script. You know, that's nice. You remember we had this on the Amiga? we had this 20 years ago on the Amiga. Oh gosh. All that glitter. 20 years ago we had this on the Amiga. Come on. Oh god. Yeah, so that's my feelings in regards to Photoshop upgrades, really. They are... I mean, no wonder people just move away from Photoshop and Adobe. I mean, come on. I'm not saying it's not an upgrade, I'm just saying that 15, 20 years later, we should have some real progress and not... Yeah.